This is Wesleyan Joe, one-upping Kurt Schlucker, working on the Vending Machine project. You can see, put in a quarter, goes up to 25 cents, 50 cents, 60 cents for the dimes, 65 cents for nickels. See here, once we get over there, we can dispense a soda, and it will indicate the change back right there. You'll see that it also indicates what change was given there and what kind of drink. We'll also show that there is a exact change light that comes on. We keep on dispensing our different soda options.
Too long, didn't you?
It's there, and you can also see that our exact change light is currently on. So officially one up.